Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
It's funny, it's camp, funny. There's so much energy coming off that stage.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Brilliant music from the 80s.
We're walking down the street and I just can't get enough.
It was really funny the whole way through and it was just really good.
It was great.
Everything, all the songs, all the dancing.
Everybody was up.
Yeah.
Everybody was loud.
Standing ovation at the end, it's fab.
It's getting harder, it's a burning love.
Me right back to my childhood, I love
Everyone should go and see it. Fabulous.
Yeah. If people have got to come and see it, it's fantastic.
Every song you can sing to, everyone loves a party. You can take your brain out of gear and just have a laugh and a dance and clap.
It worked for me, didn't it?
I really didn't know what to expect, and I have honestly bounced out of the front doors with the biggest smile on my face. It's such a good night out.
Come see Club Tropicana for fun, laughter, great hits and lots of outrageousness.
I just can't get enough.